Hi there. This is an open collab and it's hosted by myself, Brenda, Maniac Grammy's Homestead. And if you are interested in joining, I would love to have you. And it's called Plan With Me Monday 25. It's right here. Plan With Me Monday 25. If you're not familiar with me, go on over, check out my channel. I do lots of different things. And with me, you never know what I'm going to have or what I'm going to do. I try to stick to a schedule on what I'm doing, but it doesn't always happen that way. So I use this planner that I got from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love it. It's a nice calendar book and the pages flip good. And this is what I have for this week. And today is Memorial Day. I'm doing this Memorial Day, and I should be out helping Mr. R put our gazebo netting and all up. But if he needs me, he said he would holler. So this is everything that I've done. I cut out, well, let's see, where was it? Oh, guess what? I'm on the wrong page. See, you never know. I thought I was on the right page. Sorry. Oh, one of those days for me. You know, everybody, you know how my brain works. This is today. Okay, we have the little flowers here in the corner. We have plant here. Memorial weekend, most people plant, but you've got to watch your temperature here in Maine because it could freeze. You never know. And then I just filled it in with some stickers and a pair of cool sunglasses. And a sticker here for myself. Yeah, for myself. So let me read it off to you. Here, I'll hold it up. Here we've got hamburgers, a cookout, and hopefully I'll have time to make some rhubarb bread. I sold 100 stalks of rhubarb yesterday. That's okay. It's all good. And then we're having tacos for Tuesday. We're having chop suey and salad for Wednesday. Thursday, we're having hamburger and macaroni and cheese, I think. I'm not sure. That's questionable. And Friday, we're having fish fry and vegetables. Now, this is my basic menu. This is opt to change depending how I feel, if my dad calls, or if Ray's not feeling well. It depends, but this is what I plan to have, and it's up to change. And today, we've already done some laundry, planting, hopefully. Ray's putting up the gazebo now. It says help Ray with the gazebo. It does take two to put up the sides and the very, very top, and it's windy today. I put out two large, beautiful hangers. I hate to see what they're going to look like when the wind doesn't blow. But you know, I keep saying, I'm not putting them out today. It's the wind. We had rain. We've had just about rain and showers all this month. It's been a terrible wet spring here in Maine. And then for Tuesday, I have a doctor's appointment, and that's going to opt to miscellaneous around the house. I don't know how long my doctor's appointment's going to be. I don't know if he's going to want me to have x-rays. I don't know yet. I think with the device that I have called Axonics, I think that's going to have to be removed. So I'm looking at something very minor, some minor surgery. The Axonics is in an area when I sit on it and it hurts my fanny. And I had some x-rays done and it blocked the x-rays. So as much as my luck has been, I think it's got to be moved. We're gonna have a talk tomorrow. And Wednesday is laundry. It's Dad's Day. It's Mom's Day. I can't wait to see her. And we sometimes go in between this too, and my dad gets rides from few other people. And we have shopping and errands. And when I'm with him, I never know how long my day is going to be and what I'm going to be doing. I just don't know. And then on Thursday, I'm going to bake, I think I'm going to bake floors, windows, mow, and planting. Now, I mow 15 acres of fields. I'm not going to be able to mow that much as I used to. I can only mow like 3 or 4 hours and stop and then go on the next day. So I'll be constantly mowing. So if you see me say mowing, it's because I don't have a little short piece of property. I have acreage, 175 acres that we maintain, whether it's woods we maintain or fields. We are busy all the time. Then on Friday, I have laundry, mow, clean the refrigerator, and work outside again. Yeah, that's going to be a work outside every day, plus my normal schedule that I have. Saturday is going to be a ride and errands, depending how the yard is, depending on our planting. I put plant right here. It depends. And we'll have a cookout. I don't know what it will be, or we'll eat out. That all depends. Sunday is our day, but still have a lot of work outside and mowing. We do have to get that under control. Our grass is about 2 feet tall because our mower's down. Mr. R will be working on that after he gets the gazebo top done. I can do the sides. And next week, I put a little heart for myself. I have no clue what I'm going to do next week. And being Memorial Day, we wanted to go to the parade, but nobody seems to know a time for the parade. Doesn't even look like not our town, but 2 towns over is going to have a parade, which saddens me. I mean, we got to remember all the veterans, and it should be a day for remembrance. We put up our flags, our American flags, on our road coming up. We use telephone poles, and each pole we put an American flag on. I don't know if you all put out flags, but we do. Ray says, oh, it looks so nice. You think you're going into a small town. The only thing of going into a small town is seeing a house on the hill with lots of fields and a lot of woods. But if you don't know me, there's a lot on my channel that you could find out about me. I love to cook. I love to bake. I love to join collabs. I have a sweet, sweet lady I'll give a shout out to is Alma Tyser, and she's my co-host in most of my collabs. Great lady, great crafter. So if you don't know Alma, look in my description box. And like I say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. And this will be my last video today. So we'll see you for Tea Tuesday tomorrow. Bye now.